welcome back to my channel, or if this is your very first time seeing me, hi, I'm Bella, obviously. I've had so many requests to do a no makeup look, and here I am doing it for you guys. I'm actually running out the door at this moment, so it was like a perfect time to film this because this is like what I do when I have to wear makeup. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I have to, this is the minimal makeup look. I have a couple other versions of this makeup look. If you guys want to see them, let me know down below. Subscribe and click that bell if you're brand new. Also like this video, follow the social medias that are up here in this corner. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. I love you guys so much, and let me know what your no makeup look consists of down below in the comments. So I actually just had a fun picking session at my face, so excuse the redness that's going on. I should wait for it to calm down, but I'm not going to because I have to go soon and I should probably get my makeup done. So I already do have like a little bit of brows on, but I'm just gonna go ahead and, because I just showered, so I'm gonna go ahead and like lightly fill them in. I use the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade 315, and I'm just gonna lightly fill. Next up, I'm just gonna crimp my lashes with the Surratt Beauty Lash Curler, just a little. I think brows and mascara are like an essential for a no makeup look. And I use waterproof mascara like every day just because during the springtime, the pollen, it gets to me. So I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush waterproof mascara. It makes your lashes look so insanely good. So to prime my face, I'm using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I use 1 pump, and this just really does such a good job at priming the skin and not having to do too many priming steps, you know? It brightens, it just makes your makeup look so good. So for the actual base of the face, I only use tinted moisturizer. I'm using the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer in the shade Nude, and I just take a little bit and I just put it on my face, and then I just take my hands and I blend it in circular motions. Using your hands is just so much easier, especially on like a no makeup look. And since I don't really do concealer on no makeup looks, I end up taking the rest of the tinted moisturizer on my fingers that's like left over on my face, and I just pat under my eyes. So since I have like a little bit of redness still going on, I'm gonna take my Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand and then a little bit on my finger, and just kind of go in the areas where the redness is and just lightly add a tiny bit more coverage, but nothing crazy at all. This is so simple. So for bronzer, blush, and highlight, I'm going to use my Milk Makeup products. So I always start with bronzer, so I'm going to take a little bit of the Blaze bronzer. Just literally take a tad bit. That's barely any. And I do creams even with a bunch of makeup just because I find that they're more natural and a lot more pretty. I'm just taking this Luxie 516 brush. It's just like a duo fiber, and just quickly blending this in. You can even use your fingers if you want to. I'm gonna take my Milk Makeup blush in the shade Rally on my fingers. I just kind of rub it like that, and then I just apply it to my cheeks. We're already looking put together, which is a very good sign. For highlight, I'm taking the Milk Makeup Lit Highlighter, and then I'm just going to apply this to my pointer finger and then hit this on the high points of my face. Taking my Bling Brushes F1 powder brush and the Laura Mercier translucent pressed setting powder, and I'm just going to set the areas where I would get oily, which is like my forehead and my cheek area right here. And since I don't do concealer and I want a little bit of like brightness under my eyes, I'll take it on a smaller brush. This is the Jaclyn Hill JH07, and I find that the coloring of powder can honestly look like a powder concealer. Does that make sense? So I just take it under my eyes, and I can totally tell a difference. I don't know if you can, but this side just looks so much more even. Finishing touches, we're gonna add some blush. I'm just gonna go into this face palette right here by Benefit, and I'm just gonna tap in here and just kind of just put a little bit more on because the cream is like a base for the powder. Sometimes I do cream alone, but a lot of the times I'll just go up with a little bit on top. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Hoola bronzer. Just lightly tap it. You can go straight in with powder if you want to, or you can just stay with the creams. I like to do both most days, but some days I will just quickly do powder, or I'll just quickly do creams. Like, it just depends. But most times I like to double up on both. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Cookie highlighter, but not a lot because highlight can always look a little too intense. That's all I'll use. And I always put a little bit in the inner corner of my eye just because it brightens my eyes. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For the lip combo, I'll take NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner. Lightly line my lips. And then for the actual lip color, I just use Aquaphor. I can't find the tubes that I bought. In Ulta haul, I bought like 3 of the mini tubes for like actual lips. Can't find them. I literally lose them. So, you know what? We're just gonna go in with the big one. And I'll just blend the liner and the Aquaphor together. And it makes the perfect lip color for me. And I'll just do a little bit of lower lash mascara just so my eyes can look a little bit more open. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot brow gel. I swear this is the last thing. Milk Makeup Brow Gel, and you can obviously, it's a no makeup look, and this is how I do it. I still think this is like super natural. But I have a couple other versions of my no makeup look if you guys want to see it. Alright, and boom, this is it. This is how my no makeup look looks. This video was highly requested. You guys have been wanting to see this for so long, and this is all I do, but I have 2 other versions of it, so if you guys want to see those, I will be more than happy to do this for you guys. Love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell if you are brand new, and join the Goria gang. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and like this video. All the social medias that are right up here on the screen, and hopefully I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.